everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Bo English Channel, where learning English is fun, easy, and real.
Hi everyone, we are so happy you are here with us today. If you are new here, please click that subscribe button and like this video.
I'm Anna.
And I'm Tom. Today we are going to have a nice, slow conversation.
Yes, it's perfect for learners. Please help us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel.
It really helps us. Thank you. So, what is our topic today, Anna?
Well, it's a new year, so we will talk about our new year and our plans for next year.
Ah, excellent. We will talk about the past and the future. Let's begin.
So, Tom, how are you today?
I am fantastic. I had a very good morning. I drank coffee and listened to music. How are you?
I'm relaxed, a little sleepy, but good. Did you do anything nice this weekend?
Yes, I visited my family. We ate a big dinner. It was loud and fun. And you?
Oh, I stayed home. I watched movies and I slept for 10 hours on Saturday.
10 hours? Wow, you were very, very sleepy.
I was, but now I have energy.
Are you ready for our conversation?
I am ready. Let's go.
Okay, so New Year, Anna. How was your New Year? What did you do on the last day of the year?
On New Year's Eve, I went to a friend's house. We had a small party, maybe 10 people.
A party? Nice. What was it like? Tell me everything.
Well, it was very cozy. His house has a big fireplace. We talked for hours. We played simple games, like card games.
Did you win?
I won one game, but I lost two. It's okay. It was just for fun. And we ate lots of snacks. So many snacks. Chips, dips, little sandwiches.
That sounds delicious. What about the countdown? 10, 9, 8.
Oh yes. At midnight, we all stood up, watched the clock on TV, and shouted the countdown. Then everyone said, "Happy New Year," and hugged.
That's a lovely tradition. Did you drink champagne for the toast?
No champagne for me. I was driving home later. I drank sparkling juice. It was sweet and bubbly. And you? What did you do for New Year's Eve? You told me you had a quiet plan.
My celebration was very, very quiet. I stayed home.
Alone? That sounds quiet.
No, not alone. I was with you, remember? You were there too.
Oh, right. Yes, of course. We were together. We stayed home. My memory is bad today.
We cooked a simple dinner together. Do you remember what we made?
I remember. We made pasta. Your special tomato pasta with the fresh basil.
Yes, and we made garlic bread. And we ate it right here on the sofa.
And we watched the big fireworks show from the city on TV. The fireworks were beautiful. So many colors.
They were, but our cat Pepper was scared of the noise on TV. She hid under the bed.
Poor Pepper.
So we had a very calm New Year's Eve. No party, just pasta and TV. And it was perfect.
It was perfect for me too.
So that was New Year's Eve. What about New Year's Day, the first day of the year? What did you do when you woke up?
On New Year's Day, I always try to do something fun or healthy. This year, I woke up late. Very late.
How late?
Maybe 11. Then I went for a long walk in the park near my house. The air was cold and fresh. It felt like a new beginning, a clean start.
I love that. A walk is a great idea. Was the park busy?
Not really. Some people were walking their dogs. Everyone said Happy New Year to each other. It was very friendly.
That sounds lovely. For me, my first activity was a phone call. I called my parents in the morning.
That's a sweet thing to do. What did you say?
I said, "Happy New Year, Mom and Dad. I hope you are healthy and happy this year." My mom was very happy to hear my voice.
I need to call my family too.
So our new year was good. Quiet, but good. Now let's talk about the next year, our plans and hopes.
Yes, plans. Tom, do you have any New Year's resolutions?
New Year's resolutions. Oh, yes. Those are promises to yourself for the new year. I have one. Do you have one?
I have one. My resolution is to read more books. Maybe one book every month. 12 books in a year.
That's a great resolution. I want to read more too. What kind of books do you want to read?
Easy English books. I think short stories. It's good for my English and it's fun. And maybe 1 or 2 big, difficult books in my own language.
Perfect. My resolution is different. My resolution is to learn to cook 5 new meals.
5 new meals. That is a very specific plan. Why 5?
1 new meal every 2 or 3 months. That feels possible, not too difficult.
That's smart. Will you cook these new meals for me?
Of course. You can try my new meals. You can be my taste tester. If they are good, we eat. If they are bad, then we can order pizza. No problem.
I like that plan.
So, resolutions are about goals for yourself. What about other plans? Not resolutions, but things you want to do, or maybe you need to do.
In the next year, I really want to travel more, even small trips. Maybe visit a new city in my country. I stay in my city too much.
That sounds exciting. Do you have a city in mind?
I'm thinking about the mountains. I want to see the mountains in summer. Green trees, fresh air, maybe a lake.
Wonderful. I want to travel too, but my plan is different. I want to visit my old friend Anna. She lives in another country now.
That's a lovely plan. You haven't seen her for a long time.
2 years. I'm saving money for the plane ticket. I'm looking forward to it.
That's a great phrase. It means I am happy and excited thinking about the future.
Yes, I'm looking forward to seeing Anna. I'm looking forward to summer.
What are you looking forward to?
I'm looking forward to my mountain trip. And I'm looking forward to your cooking, Anna.
No, you are the one who is cooking. Your resolution.
Oh, right. I'm looking forward to my own cooking. Hopefully it is good. I'm a little nervous.
Don't be nervous. Cooking is fun.
Have a wonderful day, a wonderful week, and a wonderful year ahead. Bye for now. Goodbye.
Have a wonderful day, a wonderful week, and a wonderful year ahead. Bye for now. Goodbye.